Join me as I make a peanut butter sheet cake. Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. In a large mixing bowl, add your dry ingredients, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Be sure to mix that well. In a saucepan over medium-low heat, add 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of water, and a half a cup of peanut butter. This will take a few minutes on medium-low heat. Make sure that your butter and your peanut butter have completely incorporated and that it's come to a low boil. Just like a Texas sheet cake, this is going to make it a large quantity and be very rich and decadent, but so worth the effort. It's time to pull out that whisk because now we're starting to see some bubbles. Go ahead and pour the hot peanut butter mixture into the flour mixture. With an electric mixer, blend it well. You do need to add a half a cup of buttermilk at this point. I completely forgot, so you'll see me add it in later. Be sure to scrape down the bowl and get all of the dry ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Two room temperature eggs, add them 1 at a time. Using a greased sheet pan or 2 13x9 pans, go ahead and grease it and pour your batter in. I still have that 1/2 cup of buttermilk that needed to be added, so I just poured it on top here and mixed really well, and I got lucky here and it all worked out for me. In a preheated oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to bake this sheet cake for 25 to 35 minutes. You're going to let the cake cool, and once it's cool, you're going to go ahead and make the frosting. So over medium heat, you're going to add a half a cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of butter, and 1/3 of a cup of milk. You're going to let this come to a low boil, and once it does, you're going to pull it off the heat. Here you can see that the bubbles are starting to appear. So I'm turning the heat off and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Continue to whisk until you see no more lumps from the powdered sugar. Because this is a warm mixture, the lumps will melt in fairly quickly. This peanut butter frosting is so delicious and would go so well on something else, like even the top of a chocolate cake. Pour the warm frosting right on top of your cake that has been cooled. You're going to spread this out evenly over the entire top. This sheet cake is so delicious, my family fights over who will get the last piece. Make this and take this to your next family function, holiday, birthday party, picnic, and you will get plenty of pieces out of it, and everybody will be coming back for more. It's moist, delicious, sweet, all the things you want in a dessert. And who doesn't love peanut butter? This dessert is guaranteed to put a smile on everybody's face. I hope you'll give this one a try. And if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare.